Hi, this is Andrew from ASUS. For those of you who have already purchased any one of these ASUS or RG routers, you're about to find out why you made the right decision. If you've noticed any of the latest multi-hub network systems currently out there and thought, oh, why didn't I get that? Well, you still can with a free firmware update. Your existing router can become the first piece of your new multi-hub AiMesh system. This means that you don't have to discard what you have. You can mix and match for flexibility, and who doesn't want more performance and features? With the increasing number of connected devices and appliances around the home, you not only have to consider the needs of the present, but the near future as well. AiMesh gives you the flexibility of adding the best router to suit your configuration. At the same time, ready for the latest and future products. As your home network becomes more complicated, you need an intelligent way to manage everything easily. All connected AiMesh hubs can be managed simultaneously, even from the ASUS Router app. AiMesh combines the simplicity and rich features from a single router with the coverage and flexibility from a mesh network. By choosing a customizable multi-hub system over a single unit, you're not only increasing coverage, adding a new model can upgrade performance, while lending all hubs access to the latest advanced features you typically only find in high-end standalone routers, such as AI protection and WT Fast. Instead of purchasing a whole system in one shot, it's possible to pay as you go along. Each time you add a new router, the entire AiMesh system is being upgraded. Amazingly, the setup process has been kept simple. Just set up once and seamless roaming will automatically keep you connected to the hub with the best signal as you walk freely around the house. AiMesh is not just a new feature. It's a range of next generation routers which adapts and evolves. This is Andrew, thank you for watching.